Hey, what's up YouTube? AMC here. Today I have a really cool break. I'm going to do a jumbo box of 2017 Topps Series 1 baseball. It included 2 packs of 2017 Hobby Exclusive Series 1 trading cards. So that's pretty cool. Let's open these packs first. Ooh, cool. First pack, we have Jake Arrieta. Wow, that's a really cool looking card. Let me try to fix the focus here. There we go. Jake Arrieta. Ooh, nice. Dansby Swanson rookie card. That is awesome. Yu Darvish. Another Dansby Swanson. Oh, wow. This Dansby Swanson's number 16 out of 50. Wow. That's awesome. 16 out of 50 Dansby Swanson. What is this? It said 5 cards, but only got... I guess this counts. Alright. I guess that counts, yep. Wow, that's awesome. Dansby Swanson rookie card out of 50. We have Evan Longoria. Freddie Freeman. Alright, Joey Votto. That's awesome. That's my biggest PC right there is Joey Votto. And Yoenis Cespedes. And then a flyer for National Baseball Card Day. Let me check these, see if any others are numbered. They are not. Wow, those are cool cards. And these are chrome as well. So this is the Dansby Swanson out of 50. Here is the regular version. So you can see this has more of a gold. It's like a gold refractor. That's awesome. Wow, I like those packs. I wish that was a product. I don't know where my box cutter is. I have to use this big heavy duty one. So we have 10 jumbo packs in here, 50 cards per pack. Alright, here we go. 3 hits per box, 2 mem and 1 auto. There's the design. Try to adjust the focus again. There we go. Matt Shoemaker. I'm not going to read all the names, just kind of looking. Hechavarria, Segura. Here's the back. Really nice looking backs. Peralta, Gosman, Flores, Caracidi rookie, Soler, Hendricks, Homer Bailey for the Reds, Blackman, Norris, Moustakas, Arenado, league leaders, Scherzer, Hendricks, Murphy, Waka, Batista, Maben, Soto, Chris Carter, league leader. Not that helped him at all. Kenta Maeda, Father's Day. Maeda Father's Day. Insert. We have a Ryan Braun. It's kind of like a foil. Not numbered. Steven Strasburg, then and now. Oh, nice. We got a Maeda 30th anniversary card. That's cool. Rediscover Topps, Bob Stanley for the Red Sox. So looks like we have a buyback. It's pretty neat. Sonny Gray. Hopefully he has a bounce back year. Uh, Ulieski Guriel. I'm not sure how to pronounce his name yet. Cool picture, though, and it's a rookie card. Logan Morrison. Martine. Chapman. Solarte. Buxton. Hatcher. Story. Pierce. Hellickson. Snell. Polanco. Seager. Miley. Span. Cabrera. Manea. Sano. Santana. Davis. Chris Young. Jared Weaver. And Orlando. So there we go. First pack. Got a nice stack of base. And on to pack number 2. All right, Brandon Finnegan for the Reds. There's Sale. Try to go a little faster here. Jacoby Jones, rookie card. Flowers. Strom, DeGrom. Barrett, VR. Jankowski, Hernandez. Shin-Soo Choo. Feliz. Barrios. Rizzo, league leaders. Cespedes Father's Day. Oh, cool. We got a one of the I can't remember what these are called. Carlos Beltran. I cannot remember what it's called. I can't remember. Name escapes me. Robinson Cano. Then and now. Insert. We have a John Goodman first pitch. Mookie Betts. That's cool. 30th anniversary card. Jackie Robinson, third base for the Dodgers. Cool insert. All right, we have Hernandez, Nelson. Nice looking Addison Russell card. In action there. Marlins team card. And Big Fish, Dynamic Trio is the catch of the day. Angels team card. New Blake Street Bombers. Correa. Brian Goodwin, rookie card. Alvarez. There's Dansby Swanson, rookie card. And Chad Pender, rookie. Really cool. Nice couple rookies there. David Dahl. That's a good rookie card. I think David Dahl is going to be really good. So there we go. That is pack number 2. So far, so good. I'm really digging it. I always love Topps. Just basic Topps baseball. Nice Mike Trout. Alex Bregman, rookie. Joe Musgrove, rookie. Jackie Bradley Jr. Robert Selman, rookie. Nice rookies. Arenado, Sanchez, Kemp, Grichuk, Aoki, Pedroia, Happ. J. Happ had a great year. Stroman, Corey Seager, Father's Day or Mother's Day. Insert. Good stuff. 5-tool, Carlos Gonzalez. That is an awesome looking insert. That is sweet. Really cool. We have Ivan Nova. This looks like it's like a gold. And these will be the ones numbered out of the current year. So 647 out of 2017. So cool looking card. Paul Wall insert. Masahiro Tanaka 30th anniversary. And we got a George Brett Is this a insert? Yeah, George Brett insert. Thought it was a buyback at first. We have Grilly, Luke Weaver rookie card, Kimbrel, Naquin, Russell, Espinoza, Twins team card, Thor and the Dark Knight, Big Apple's Superheroes, Padres team card, Astros team card, nice looking Mookie Betts card. Really good photography on these cards. I'm really impressed. My only, I guess I would say my only criticism of the cards, I feel like the bottoms are a bit bland. I mean, call me crazy. I don't mind this whole design. I just wish it would be cool if it was a like a team color, like how this is red here. If the rest of it was red, that would look really cool, I think. All right, let me move these base over. It's gonna be a long break. All right, we have Gausman, Flores. There's a rookie. Try to go through them a little faster here. Brandon Finnegan for the Reds. That's cool. Seeing a lot of the ones I've already gotten. Brooks Robinson legend insert. And then we got a Chris Young foil for the Royals. A 5-tool insert. These inserts are awesome. It reminds me of Fire. The Fire inserts. Kyle Seager. Ryan Dempster, analyst insert. Former Red. Future Stars, Carlos Rodon. It's pretty cool. 30th anniversary. And there is our hit, our autograph, Joe Musgrove. It's a rookie auto, Joe Musgrove. Not too bad, I don't guess. Then we got Wade Davis. Rodriguez, Beltre. There's Ortiz. That's pretty cool. Tampa Bay, Orioles, Diamondbacks, Blue Jays, World Series Cubs. Goodwin rookie. Swanson rookie. Chad Pender rookie. Got those guys back to back. Actually, we got the same little combo here. David Dahl rookie. I feel like this pack is like the same as another pack I had earlier. Got a something about a Topps Now. It's like a scratch off. So I'll do that later. All right. Tyler Glasnow rookie. Ben Zobrist. Seth Lugo rookie. Kershaw, Ethier. Francisco Lindor. Joey Votto, league leaders. That's cool. John Lester. Daniel Murphy. Pujols. Carlos Correa, Mother's Day insert. Very nice. 5-tool player, Andrew McCutchen. It's really nice. We got a Deoner Navarro gold out of 2017. John Lovitz. Chris Sale. Henry Aaron. That's cool. Nice looking insert. We got Cervelli. Turner, Tucker Barnhart for the Reds. That's cool. I like that. Cubs, Geyer, Bogarts, Bumgarner, Alex Reyes rookie. Phillies. Nice looking Matt Reynolds card there. Ryan Healy rookie. That's cool. I think he played a little bit last year and was pretty good. All right, we're halfway. All right, we have our next hit in here. Looks like Anthony DeSclafani. That's pretty awesome. I like that. I'm a Reds fan, so got to be excited for the future. It's about all you can do when your team rebuilds. Tyler Austin rookie. David Ortiz, league leader. Chris Bryant. Giancarlo Stanton, Father's Day. Ooh, Adam Duvall, foil. That's really cool. Then and Now, Mike Trout, insert. David Price. Ooh, nice. All-Star Game. Bryce Harper. It's like a medallion card. Very cool. And it goes through the card, which is kind of neat. So not a bad hit. Eddie Whitson. Rediscovered Topps stamp on the buyback. We got Wright, Brandon Moss, Justin Smoke, Cubs again, Rays, Crawford, Orioles, D-backs, Blue Jays. And Kendry Morales. All right, moving on. Got one hit left. Maybe we get a printing plate or something. That'd be pretty cool. Tehran Arcia, Orlando Arcia rookie. Gabriel Yanoa, rookie. Nice Joey Votto. That's cool. That's what I like to see, some Joey Votto. Chris Davis had a good year for the A's. Can't believe he hit that many home runs. A lot of guys hit a lot of home runs, like this guy, Mark Trumbo. Oh, cool. Barry Larkin legend insert. That is awesome. Barry Larkin, one of my all-time favorite players. Houston Street foil. Miguel Cabrera, Then and Now. Future Stars, Kyle Schwarber. It's a local guy around here. Really nice looking card. Right, back to the base cards. Jake Thompson rookie. Really good photos. Lots of cool action shots. Nova, Matt Harvey, Sean Doolittle. I pulled his super once. Ooh, nice. Andrew Benintendi rookie card. That is cool. Yeah, but I pulled a Sean Doolittle Superfractor from Topps. Aaron Judge rookie card from Topps Chrome in 2015. That was kind of cool. Never had pulled a super before. All right, let's move on. Josh Bell rookie card. That's pretty cool. Jeff Hoffman rookie card. Reynaldo Lopez rookie. Hunter Strickland. Oh, Yoan Moncada rookie card. A lot of good rookies in this. This is awesome. Honus Wagner legend card. A 5-tool Bryce Harper insert. Nolan Arenado, league leaders. This is numbered out of 66. 34 of 66. It looks like a black version of the card. So that's cool. I like Arenado. First pitch, William Shatner. Ooh, Dansby Swanson rookie. That's awesome. This has definitely been a great Dansby Swanson. Mike Trout. Just okay, it's an insert. Definitely been a good Dansby Swanson break that's for sure. Look at that, Kevin Pillar. He's like diving. Looks like he's diving at Buster Posey. It's pretty cool. Yankees. Adam Lind. Braden Shipley, rookie. Kyle Schwarber. Raisel Iglesias for the Reds. And Carson Fulmer for the White Sox, rookie. I'm really impressed. Like, I really am. The rookie cards that are in this, I feel like there's some really quality prospect rookie cards in here. Guys that are expected to make a nice big contribution. I think it's a pretty good year overall to collect tops. Karasidi, rookie. Never heard of him. I'm not sure who he is. Homer Bailey. Wonder if he's like a relief pitcher. Max Scherzer. Daniel Murphy. See Bautista. David Price, Father's Day. 5-tool player, Jason Kipnis. Love these inserts. These might be some of my favorite inserts I've seen in a long time. Chris Young, gold out of 2017. Lou Ferrigno. Wow, he's gotten small. Got the Hulk. First pitch. Ozzie Smith. Really cool looking card there. Doing a backflip. Reggie Jackson. There's Gurriel. I'm not sure how to pronounce his name. Rookie card. I know he's like, kind of like a big international signing. Buxton. Blake Snell. Polanco. Corey Seager. Miguel Cabrera. Sano. Santana had a good year. Sort of Rajay Davis. I can't remember where Davis ended up signing. I do not think he went back to the Indians. All right, last pack. One more hit. Ooh, this one's a thick one. Hopefully that's a good thing. We'll take the ones from the back. We have Josh Bell, rookie card. That's cool. Oh, Barry Larkin. That is awesome. I like that card a lot. Chris Bryant. Adam Duvall for the Reds. Northern Highlights. Teoscar Hernandez, rookie. Jose De Leon, rookie. Gary Sanchez. Joey Gallo. I'm excited to see what this hit is. Caleb Cotham. Wow, I can't believe he has a card. Evan Gattis, Adrian Gonzalez, Corey Kluber, Tanaka, Diaz, Strasburg, Johnny Bench Legend insert. We got a foil of the White Sox team card. Then and now, Albert Pujols. And our hit. Albert Pujols. I was hoping it was Mike Trout, but we got Albert Pujols. Says game used memorabilia. So not too bad. Here's a quick recap for you guys. We got Albert Pujols relic there. And I got a little stack here of cards of note. We have Barry Larkin. That was a really cool card for me. Chris Young out of 2017. Nolan Arenado out of 66. We got a Medallion All-Star Game card of Bryce Harper. It weighs a ton. Deoner Navarro out of 2017. Our autograph was Joe Musgrove for the Astros. We got a Nova out of 2017. We got a negative, I think that's what it's called, negative, Carlos Beltran. And from the extra packs, we got a Dansby Swanson rookie card. It's a gold, numbered 16 out of 50. So that is a sweet card. It's a chrome card, by the way. Anyways, guys, check out thecardcrate.com. Let me know if what you guys thought of the break. Should I do another one? Should I go for the set? Let me know what you guys think. Until next time, AMC.